going to the exertion. They happen to all bodies when you apply one or more force of the object. They mean the size or effect of the following: traction, compression, binding, torsion, and shear for cutting. The traction force tries to compress the object of the body's strength to become longer. For example, a rope. The compression force tries to compress the object and the body's strength to become shorter and fatter. For example, a column. The binding force tries to bend a body and the object tends becomes curved. For example, a beam. The torsion force tries to weave a body. For example, hanging and shear or cutting force tries to cut an object like to scissors.
Okay.